Where's my duck?
My question is
Just, hey, AJ, just dump it out. Like, just.
There they go.
Whoa!
whoa.
Hey, don't throw that on us, AJ.
Yeah.
May I see that bag real quick? So we are feeding a combination. This is called Flock Party mealworms. And where do you buy that at? Like a farm and country store?
Tractor Supply or Walmart.
Okay, so Flock Party mealworms. So we got a bunch of produce for them and then some mealworms. Hey, AJ, hey! You almost hit Mr. Tom with a watermelon. AJ, stop it. AJ's wounding his arm up with watermelon rind.
Hey, get out of the way. It's about to go. Get out of the way.
Alright, so we are having a flock party. We are having...
See that? Look, I'm standing right here and it almost went over the fence, but it hit it. It hit it and bounced back. It almost went over.
Alright, so we got some mandarins and some,
Go in and get your mom's basket out of the water.
AJ, stop being that way. Just dump it.
What's that making, John?
So are these expensive?
Yeah, they're like
Are, really? Oh, wow. So, $50 for a bag.
let's do it. Yeah.
And how long does it last?
My chicken's not very long.
Oh, wow.
And I say my chickens were really well fed.
Well,
Don't even drink.
yeah. Well, I'm happy to bring my scraps over too. So,
Oh yeah, they ain't good.
is that the daddy duck, the mallard?
Yeah, he's the one that went over and
So,
tried to get fancy.
so yeah, that's a daddy duck. All right. Well, I guess okay. We've been having a flock party. Yeah, but are we having a flock party, Mr. Tom? Look at that. Say we're having a flock party. Are we having a flock party? Say we are. Flock party.
My legs are still blue.
So I'm gonna make a short really quick about this. So you said this is about
Yeah,
$50?
but it's like 46